This bird can outsmart your dog, and maybe you meet the parrot, the feathered genius with a brain like a flying toddler. Some parrots can remember hundreds of words, solve puzzles, and even use tools, yes tools. The African gray is so smart, scientists compare it to a 5-year-old child, and those bright colors, they're not just for show. It's basically the bird version of saying, I'm loud, I'm proud, and I will steal your snacks. Parrots can live up to 80 years, which means that cute little bird might actually outlive you. So, the next time a parrot talks to you, remember it might actually understand you. And yes, it's definitely judging you.